Multiply 143 by 263 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. Put 2 in this column and carry 1. 3 times 1 plus the carried 1 is 4. The first partial product is 429. Now use the tens digit, 6. Start one place to the left. 6 times 3 is 18. Put 8 in this column and carry 1. 6 times 4 plus the carried 1 is 25. Put 5 in this column and carry 2. 6 times 1 plus the carried 2 is 8. The second partial product is 8,580. Now use the hundreds digit, 2. Start two places to the left. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. The third partial product is 28,600. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 9 plus 0 is 9. In the tens column, 2 plus 8 plus 0 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. In the hundreds column, 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus the carried 1 is 16. Put 6 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 8 plus the carried 1 is 17. Put 7 in this column and carry 1. In the 10,000s column, 2 plus the carried 1 is 3. The product of the whole numbers is 37,609. So 143 times 263 is 37,609.